Hello folks, Rob here. We're going to take a look at some Hot Wheel pickup trucks. The Erikstein rod, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but kind of looks like a custom 84-85 Chevy Silverado is what I'm thinking. Kind of like with the front. And of course the back's kind of got a racing type look to it and stuff, but I think it's a pretty cool casting. Next up, the 69 Chevy. I think they did a great job with this one. Only thing I would have liked if they would have opened up the headlights. It's kind of got the custom look. But if they would have gave us two little lights, that would have been pretty cool. But I like this 69 Chevy pickup. Now this olive dab gloss green. Pretty cool. Next up, 48 to 50 Chevy. It's got the patina, the rat rod look to it, which is really cool. I've been kind of enjoying these castings and collecting them too. I like how they kind of did the white walls with those new rims. Pretty cool. Next to 48 to 50 Ford. Another good casting, like how they did this in the metallic green. And then here's one in orange. I really like the wheels, how they got with the white walls. Another really cool casting. And the soft brand one, that looks like between a 53 to 60 or 53 to 56 Ford pickup custom. This is Metal Wheels or something, I think it was made by. Custom roll bar in the back. Thought that was a pretty cool looking casting. Anyway, this is Robbie saying thanks for checking it out.